So we're making egg fried rice. A lot of people laugh. You go into a desi restaurant and you have egg fried rice because they believe it's more Chinese. But I believe ours is more flavoured because of our spices. The Chinese don't put any spices in theirs. So I'll show you our version. Some oil. Standard sort of onions and peppers. Pinch of salt. So with egg fried rice, you put the egg in before the spice. You crack the egg like that. You turn the gas down. Let the egg cook. So with egg fried rice, it takes a lot of the oil out. So if you need to, just add a little bit more oil so the egg doesn't stick on the pan. Okay, so when the egg is nearly cooked, not fully cooked, nearly cooked, that's when you can put your spices in. So you've got your desi style. Again, you could put slight chili powder, green chili is optional if you want it hot. On a low gas as the spices are on. Mix up your egg. Mix up the spices. And that's it. When you're ready, put your rice in. And then it's just a case of just mixing them. Everything's cooked. Any lumpy bits, just flatten them. A bit of coriander. The method to use as well when mixing is I'm not actually moving my spoon, but just moving this front and back. So if you see, spoon is not being moved. Just place that in the middle. All I'm doing is moving this front and back, front and back. And there you have it, with the desi style spice, very quick and easy to cook egg fried rice.